Are you a new real estate agent? When first starting out, it can be hard to know exactly what to be doing all the time. In this video, we're gonna go over the things that you need to be doing every single day to grow your business. In this video, we're gonna go over the 4 most important things that you need to be doing to succeed. Number 1 is opening up your CRM and spending time organizing it. The first thing I do every day is open up my CRM. The CRM is the most important tool that an agent has in their tool belt. Without a CRM, it's almost impossible to manage current and prospective clients. When I first open up my CRM, I go right to the task section and see if there's anything that I have to get done today. This is normally following up with current clients, prospective clients, or anything like that. Make sure that when you add a new client, that you assign a task specifically to that client to follow up with them in an appropriate amount of time. This amount of time should be pretty clear based on the last conversation you had with them. This brings us to number 2, which is making your follow-up calls, texts, and emails to those current and prospective clients. This is the most important part of our day. Without the follow-up, current or prospective clients will fade away and just forget about you. When they think real estate, they should think of you because you contact them all the time and are able to stay on that top of mind. By spending time organizing our CRM like we did in number 1, it should be automatic for when and how you need to connect with the clients that you need to follow up with. Because, well, your CRM told you because you spent time organizing it like we talked about in step 1. It will become clear which contact method each client prefers. If you called them last time, call them again this time. Then you can make your way through the different methods. If they didn't answer that call, then leave a voicemail. Also send them a text and an email. That way you make sure that you have all your bases covered. By doing this, hopefully you'll get a response from at least one of those contact methods. Ask the clients the questions that you need answered so that you can move them forward in their buying or selling process. Each and every contact should get you that much closer to a deal. If you get an update from that client and it seems like they're moving backwards, that's okay. People have setbacks. Continue to offer your help and follow up. That way, when they are ready to make their move, you'll be right there. I hope you've been enjoying the first part of this video. If you have, please leave us a comment down in the comment section below and don't forget to hit that like button. Now back to more of the things that you need to be doing every day as a new real estate agent. Number 3 is reviewing your hot and warm client list. Now you might be thinking, what's a hot and warm client list? A hot list is a list of clients that are qualified and ready to buy or sell right now. A warm client list is a list of clients that are wanting to buy or sell but are just not quite ready yet. This list can be a paper list that you keep on you at all times or a Google Sheets spreadsheet, which is what I prefer. The important part is that you have access to it at all times so that you can always go back and review it whenever you need to. This list needs to include client name, buy or sell, last contacted date, property address if selling or in contract, potential commission, and any home detail notes, which could be what they're looking for in a home or where they are in the process. I will make this hot and warm list template available in the description down below. By keeping these lists, you'll be better able to manage clients, current transaction, and always keep your eye out for houses that might fit their needs because you look at these every single day. Number 4 is writing handwritten personal notes. When was the last time that you got a personal handwritten note in the mail? And how did that make you feel? Chances are it made you feel pretty special. Now we want to give our clients that exact same experience, and the easiest way to do this is just by simply writing a handwritten note and sending it in the mail. The note can really be about anything. This is the note card that I use. It takes me 2 minutes to write a handwritten note and throw it in the mail. I aim to send 2 notes per day, but you can do this as much or as little as you see fit. These notes can be sent to homeowners that allowed you to tour their home, for-sale by owners that you had a meeting with, prospective clients, or just anybody that you only know their address. There are so many different reasons to send a handwritten note, and anybody is glad to receive one in the mail. Thanks for watching. If this is a video you enjoyed, please like and subscribe down below. And if there's a video that you want to see us make in the future, please just leave it in the comments section and we'll make sure we get it done for you. Now go make your next move.